In December 2020, scores of minibus operators took industrial action to bring attention to their financial plight during the pandemic. Route 2H bus drivers who withdrew their services left long queues of commuters stranded throughout the island. They were backed up by affiliate bus associations, stunning the Ncopt and public officials. Authorities, in an effort to defuse the situation, assured the operators that the new year would be an opportune time for dialogue on an increase in passenger capacity, which has been reduced to curtail the spread of COVID-19. The president of the National Council on Public Transportation, Godfrey Ferdinand, says a date for the long-awaited talks has been chosen.
We put in a meeting for the 19th of January. And the meeting is with the Ministry of Education, and I want to thank the Ministry of Education for at least facilitating and coordinating this meeting. And that meeting is with the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Transport, the Ministry of Education, as well as the National Council and the police. And that would happen because after 14 days after New Year's, we are looking to see if there's going to be a spike. And if there isn't any spike, we're hoping that at least the Ministry of Health will facilitate some adjustment to the protocols.
With school slated to open on January 11th, the transportation sector will play a crucial role in the resumption of classes and mitigating the COVID-19 numbers. Ferdinand is calling on members to bear patience and allow for a thorough assessment to be conducted before their demands for passenger increases are met.
What we are asking is that operators adhere to the protocols that are already there, and I know the majority of them are. A lot of them now are putting hand sanitizers in their vehicles, and as well as making sure that the passengers have masks. So if we can continue that, and at least we would be assisting in trying to curb the increase in the COVID situation.
Ferdinand hopes the Council's long overdue projects and plans will finally reach their destination during 2021.
We would like to see the first half of this year where we would have the pilot project for the cashless system and also have some new initiative within the Council to see that we can provide a better service to the public, and also that our members would at least see a turn in the financial situation in the first half of this year.
The interconnectivity of the transportation and education sectors is not lost on Ferdinand. He implores members of the Council to continue to abide by the tried and tested protocols of mask wearing, sanitizing, and social distancing. Solange Alfred, HTS News Force.